Hey guys, my name is Sam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a unboxing slash maybe kind of first-hand reviews on my Boxycharm November box. So if you don't know, I'm a Boxycharm stan. I've been I've been getting the boxes for at least a year or two now. And I love them because you get 5 full-size, high-end makeup, skincare, wellness products, and I feel like most of the time they always hit. There's always something. So today I'm going to take you through the 5 items I got in this month's November box. So first thing, also I don't have the box that it came in with me because we clean and discard all of our mail before bringing it in because, you can never be too safe with Corona. But anyway, so the first thing I got is this Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. It looks like this. And it has super orange essence. So let's see what it looks like. It looks like this. And it says that after you wash your face, you should leave this on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massaging in circular motions and then rinse after. And you can use this 3 to 4 times a week. I haven't tried it out yet, but when I do, I'll make sure to let you guys know because this definitely sounds super interesting and really want to see how it leaves my skin. The next thing I received was this. It says it's the Farsali Privé Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. It hydrates and replenishes, and it has an bimolecular hyaluronic complex and provitamin B5. My friend actually got this in her last month's box, and she said that she really likes it. So, really excited to try it out. I did it once the night before last, and it looks like this. And we're gonna open it and look at how thick that is. It's super thick. So it should be really hydrating. Really excited to give it more of a try, and we'll see how that goes. The next thing I got was actually my choice item. And basically, I think it is every month you can pick one item out of a couple options that they give you, and that will be in your box for sure. This month I picked the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Comes in this box and it looks like this. It literally just looks like any other lip gloss tube. And let's try it. It's clear. I'm just gonna put it on. It's shiny. Okay, so it's not super sticky, but your hair would get stuck in it. But it's pretty thick. I don't know about moisturizing, but it's thick. It feels kind of sort of like Vaseline in a way. So I don't know, we'll stay tuned for that. Then I got whatever this is, the Natasha Denoma Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. It came in this. It looks like this. I mean, if we're being honest here, I'm not particularly too excited about this. It looks like a eyeshadow starter pack, and I've learned how to do my makeup for a while now. So, I mean, the colors seem nice-ish. I kind of like this one here. But I guess we'll just have to see. They send me so many palettes, so I highly recommend that if you do sign up for Boxycharm, or if you use Boxycharm and you don't want to get a ton of eyeshadow palettes every single month, you should put that you like them the least. Even if you do like them, they'll send you one every month and you don't need that many, I'm telling you right now. And then The last thing that I got were these brushes. They're from Moda Metallics by Royal and Langnickel. So it's just 2 Ultimate Eye Sculptor brushes. I mean, they're cute. I like a good metallic gold or whatever. The handles feel really nice. They're textured, which is cool. And oh, this one's just a normal fluffy brush, but look at this one. It's like sculpted, and it's like 3-dimensionally sculpted rather than just like those ones that are just thin and flat and angular. But like, look at that. I don't know, I kind of like this. I kind of want to see what I can do with this brush. But yeah, that's pretty much it, what I got. I wish I could give you guys more of a review, but that's pretty much all I got for my box this time. And if you want to see more of these hauls, or if you are considering investing in Boxycharm, I know it's like $25 a month, but personally, I think it could be worth it if you tend to like buy makeup or skincare and like things from like Sephora at least once a month. So one of these items costs more than $25 for the most part, and I think that that's how I rationalize it and think that it's worth it. But that's just me. Obviously this video is not sponsored. I wish it was, but I'm just a Boxycharm stan, and I know that like before I subscribed, I wanted to like see what kind of things people got, because like, yeah, you can see on the Instagram page or sometimes on the website or whatever, but I feel like it's different whenever somebody takes you through it and explains it step by step. So highly recommend. Personally, this box in reality was like not that exciting per se. I'm interested to try the pumpkin turmeric scrub and the Varsali quench moisture serum, but other than that, I can't really say I'm too excited. The joy thing seems like fine too, but yeah, I think even though I love Boxycharm, I have to rate this a solid like 5 out of 10. Not bad, not great, just kind of in the middle. So hopefully next month's box will be good. And also, if you didn't know, they have like pop-up, I think seasonally. So they're having the kind of like end of year pop-up now, and they have add-ons practically every month, I think, that they don't have pop-up. So I bought a bunch of things from this month's pop-up, which I can definitely show you guys whenever they come in. But to give you kind of an overview, I bought everything from like some skincare products to like coasters to collagen. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. Subscribe to me if you want to see more like vlogs, lifestyle. I'll basically do whatever, and maybe some beauty videos I'll throw in there. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, stay a while, and join our community. Peace out, Girl Scouts.